This video is going to show you the restrict feature in Instagram, which is basically like them adding the hide comment feature in Facebook. This is similar to that. So I'm in Instagram right now, and this is my account, so you can see my profile and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically hop over to my daughter's account, and I'm going to have her comment on my post. So this is my daughter's account, and I'm going to have her go over here. I don't even think she's following me yet, which is fine. But I'm going to have her find my account. There she is. Okay, and so I'm going to have her reply, do this, and just have her comment on this and say, thanks for sharing. Now, obviously, if you got a comment like that, you're not going to want to hide that or restrict it. Okay, but you may find that you get comments on your Instagram account, whether business or personal, where you're like, that's not awesome, and you can reply and everything, but you may be like, is there any way that I can not delete it, but just hide it? The great part about hiding a comment is the original user doesn't know that nobody else can see their comment. They think it's still living large in the public. But you wind up being the only person that can see it. So with this, I'm going to click on this. So let's say that I didn't like this comment and I wanted to restrict this person. So I'm going to hold down, and I'm actually going to click on the big exclamation point there. Now I have some options. I could block the person. That means they can't see me on Instagram. They have no interaction with me whatsoever in the future. I could report it, which means Instagram's going to try to go and either take down their comment and possibly make some punitive things happen to their account. But the nice happy medium is that saying, look, I just want to hide and be able to kind of monitor this person going forward without everybody seeing what they comment on my feed. So you can hit restrict Furious Jeb. So here's an explanation of what that means. Limit unwanted interactions without having to block or unfollow someone you know. You'll control if others can see their new comments on your posts. Their chat will be moved to your message request so they won't see when you've read. So it does give you a ton more control over this person. So I'm going to go ahead and restrict that account. It says I've restricted Furious Jeb. Only you and Furious Jeb can see their new comments on your posts. That's what's important. As the other person that you've restricted tries to comment on your post, you're the only one who can see them, and you can approve individual comments to make them visible to everyone. It does give you vastly more control. I'm going to keep this comment and go back. So now I'm going to actually hop back to my daughter's account, and I'm going to have her go visit me again. Should really have her follow me, huh? Yeah, go ahead and follow me back. Okay, and then I'm going to have her go to that same place, and I'm going to have her do another one. No, seriously. Thanks. Okay. She's going to post. So again, I'm from her account. She sees nothing different. She thinks she posted a comment. It's awesome. But now I'm going to hop back into my account where she commented. And I'm going to check out my notifications. Okay. And you see I've got a comment, so I'm going to go here. Now I'm going to go here. And look, I can't see the no seriously thanks. I cannot see it on my post. It's not there for me. So that is helpful, because then I can decide, okay, I don't want anyone else to see that particular comment that she left. So that's really helpful. Now it says view all 2 comments. Notice it shows me a restricted comment, so I can say I want to see what they said. And at that point, I can say, you know what, that's okay. I can go ahead and approve this person, or I can delete it, or I can just leave it alone because nobody's going to see it. Nobody public to my profile will see it. Go ahead and approve. Only you and Furious Jeb can see this comment. If you approve it, it'll be visible to everyone. It gives you a little warning, and there you go. So that's how you can use restrict feature in Instagram. I love that they've added this, because seriously, before this, pretty much everything on Instagram was fully public. But it's a really nice thing to be able to share, to use in here if you want to have a little moderation over your comments. So hopefully this was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you felt it was. There'll be more coming your way, helpful on Really Social. Thanks.